I was a commerce student, and somehow in business studies I was all India topper as well. So I always loved commerce, and I went on to pursue BCom honors from SRCC. How many of you are actually vying to get into SRCC?
Ma'am, I think the question should be who isn't present here who is aiming for SRCC.
Okay.
OYO was highly criticized and put allegations on, and still was not able to provide any evidence to prove itself innocent. What do you think is the reason for this, and will it not degrade the company's reputation?
Definitely it will. But the thing is, we need our time to do the research, and we definitely want to put the facts which are actually relevant, because see, goodwill is something which is actually important, but at the same time you should put relevant facts which are actually worth proving, and you can make a point by them. So we are just summing up all the research and everything so that we can come up with a very strong point.
Focus of the globe earlier in 1990s was more of globalization. हर कंट्री एक दूसरे कंट्री के साथ अल्टीमेटली ज्यादा ट्रेड रिलेशनशिप बढ़ाना चाहता था, and there was all sorts of globalization. But after 2008 crisis, every country is trying to protect their own country because of the huge crisis which has happened in the world.
So the major problem with personalized medicines is the intellectual property rights. So suppose there comes a demand of medicine, and then you start manufacturing it, and then you have to take the IPR, and then you have to get it tested, you have to go to the regulatory bodies, and you have to get the legal framework done. And in the process, there will be a time delay. With that, you lose the customers first. Secondly, even if you not lose the customers and you figure out a way to just breach this whole system and you deliver that medicine, if it is not verified by these certain organizations, are you willing to sell it